Okay.
Come on. I don't have a good collar now. Okay.
Sit. Hup. Sit. 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 Later.
I never would have believed that a SafeCalm collar could make such a big difference in such a short amount of time. And they were a disaster. Every time a dog would come near us, they were out of control, fighting each other, pulling me down, barking. The neighbors thought that they were aggressive. This was easy. It worked in less than 5 minutes.
Cheryl, would you recommend the SafeCalm Collar to others?
I would, absolutely. Everyone with a dog should have one.